morning. Today I am here with my new video on topic parabola. Now write a question. Find the equation of parabola. Find the equation of parabola whose focus 5, 3 and directrix 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equals to 0. Solution. Suppose this is the parabola. It is called axis of parabola. Now take focus S. The coordinate of focus is given 5, 3 and this straight line is known as the vertex of the parabola, and the equation of vertex is given 3x minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. It means the equation of this line is given 3x minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. Now consider a point P on parabola. Let their coordinate be x, y. Join this point through focus and draw a perpendicular from point P on the vertex. Let foot of the perpendicular be M. This is the foot of the perpendicular, and suppose this point be ZM. So equation of ZM is given. Equation of ZM, and ZM is known as the vertex of this parabola. So Zm is equals to 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equals to 0 is given. Focus 5, 3 is given, and P be a point. P be a point on parabola. P be a point on parabola of coordinate x, y. Okay, first we find PS and then we find PM, and after that, according to definition of parabola, PS is equals to PM, we put the value. So first find PS. Then we use distance formula. Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The point xy 5, 3 and x, y. X, y and 5, 3. Okay. So PS is equals to, this is the x1, y1 and this is the x2, y2. Okay. Okay, x2, x1, y1, x2, y2. First, we will put the value of x2, that is the 5. So 5 minus x whole square plus 3 minus y whole square, 3s. Okay, now PM. Since PM is the perpendicular and we know that the length of the perpendicular D, length of the perpendicular D equals to ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square. Therefore, PM is equals to, equation is given 3x minus 4y plus 1 upon under root a square plus b square. A is the 3 and b is the minus 4. So write 3 square plus minus 4 square, that equals to 3x minus 4y plus 1 upon under root 9 plus 16 is equals to 3x minus 4y plus 1 upon 5. No. According to the definition of parabola, according to the definition of parabola, PS is equals to PM. According to definition of parabola, distance from a point to the focus is equals to distance from point to the vertex, always should be equal. So PS is equals to under root 5 minus x whole square plus 3 minus y whole square is equals to 3x minus 4y plus 1 upon 5. Squaring both the sides. Squaring both the sides. We have 5 minus x whole square plus 3 minus y whole square is equals to 3x minus 4y plus 1 whole square divided by 25. इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे आप लोग. After solving, we will get the answer. That will be the equation of parabola. Now next question. Find the vertex, axis, focus, directrix of parabola y square minus 8y minus x plus 14 is equals to 0. This is the equation of parabola given in the standard form. This equation shows the standard form of the parabola. Solution. First of all, we convert this equation in form of y square equals to 4axy. first of all, we convert this equation as a form of y square equals to 4ax. So this can be written as y square minus 8y is equals to, send these two terms minus x and plus 14 in right hand side. So this will be x minus 14. Is it clear? So now this equation becomes y square minus 8y is equals to x minus 14. It can be also written as y square minus 2 into y into 4. 8y can be written as 2 into y into 4 because a square minus 2ab. The next step will be b square. So right here plus here 4 is as a b square. Again further subtracted 4 square minus 4 square is equals to x minus 14. Is it clear? We in this equation we add 4 square and subtracted minus 4 square for balance. It is the y minus 4 whole square. So this can be written as y minus 4 whole square is minus 16 is equals to x minus 14. Y minus 4 whole square is equals to, now next step, y minus 14 whole square
y minus 4
is equals to minus 16 send right hand side. So the equation becomes x minus 14 plus 16. Okay, and finally we have y minus 4 whole square is equals to x plus 2. Suppose this is the equation number 1, and this equation like y square is equals to 4ax. So let us suppose y square equals to 4ax. Equation number 2, standard form of equation. Comparing equation 1 and 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2. We have capital Y. The value of capital Y is equals to y minus 4. This is the new parabola and this is the old parabola. Y minus 4 and 4ax. 4ax is equals to x plus 2. 4ax is equals to x plus 2. Okay. Since we know that the equation of parabola y square equals to 4ax after comparing we have y equals to y minus 4 and x can be also determined x and a also determined. Then we find the value of capital X, small x, capital Y and Y. And since we know the vertex of the parabola is 0, 0, it means x is equals to 0 and y equals to 0. This is the value of x equals to 0 and y equals to 0, and x is equals to given, y equals to given, y equals to y पर plus 4 पुट कर देंगे यहाँ पर, और x equals to x minus 2 यहाँ पुट कर देंगे. Then we find the new value of x and y. That is the answer of this question. Is it clear? Now one more question. Find out the vertex, axis, focus, directrix of the parabola 4y square plus 12x minus 20y plus 67 is equals to 0. We know the equation of parabola y square is equal to 4ax. It means the coefficient of y square always should be 1. Coefficient of y square always should be 1. So first divided by 4. In given equation divided by 4. So it becomes y square plus 3x minus 5y plus 67 upon 4 is equals to 0. Y square minus 5y is equals to minus 3x minus 67 upon 4. Y square minus 2 into a arrange here as a form of 5y. 5 by 2. 2 and 2 we cancel out. Then we will get minus 5y. It means this 5 by 2 as a part of b. So y square minus 2ab plus 5 upon 2 whole square minus 5 upon 2 whole square is equals to minus 3x minus 67 upon 4. Clear? This is the y minus 5 by 2 whole square. So y minus 5 by 2 whole square is equals to minus 3x minus 67 upon 4 plus 25 upon 4. Y minus 5 by 2 whole square is equals to minus 3x minus 4 67 minus 25 minus taken as a common. So 67 minus 25 by 4. This will be y minus 5 upon 2 whole square equals to minus 3x minus 42 by 4 is equals to minus 3x minus 21 by 2 is equals to y minus 5 by 2 whole square. This is the parabolification of parabola. Question number 1. So capital Y is equals to y minus 5 by 2. Capital Y is equals to y minus 5 by 2. And capital X is equals to minus 3x minus 21 by 2. Okay. From with the help of this equation, small y is equals to capital Y plus 5 by 2 and capital X plus 21 upon 2 is equals to minus 3x means x by 3 plus minus x by 3 minus 21 by 6 is equals to x. Since the vertex of the parabola is 0 comma 0, capital X equals to 0 and capital Y equals to 0. Compare capital X equals to 0 and capital Y equals to 0. We will compare capital X equals to 0 and capital Y equals to 0. Then we got the vertex of parabola. Is it clear? Yes. Last question. The coordinate of latus rectum of a parabola y square is equals to 4ax of a parabola y square equals to 4ax b a t1 square comma 2a t1 then prove that t1 into t2 is equals to minus 1. Very important question. The coordinate of the latus rectum of a parabola y square equals to 4ax b a t1 square 2a t1, then prove that t1 into t2 is equals to minus 1.
लेटस रेक्टम तो एक लाइन होता है ना, उसको कोऑर्डिनेट है.
फोकस पे जाती
This is the focus. A line passing through the focus. A line passing through the focus is known as latus rectum. So the latus rectum of this parabola be suppose AB. Okay, AB. And the coordinate of latus rectum be given a t1 square to a t1 square a t1 square to a t1, the coordinate of a, and the coordinate of b is given 2a t2 square, write down 2a t2 square comma 2a t2. It is given in your question. A t2 square comma 2a t2. Whenever we take the coordinate of, let us assume, always we will take a t1 square and 2a t1 of coordinate of a and the coordinate of b. Always we will take a t2 square comma 2a t2. Okay. Very important. You can see this, let us assume, passing through the focus. The coordinate of focus is a comma 0. Coordinate of the focus is a comma 0. Okay. First of all, solution. Equation of line AB. Equation of line AB, which is the latest atom of the parabola. Since this line passes through the 2 points. Equation of AB. So in figure, this line is the latest rectum of the parabola, because we know that a line passes through the focus is known as latest rectum, and we also know the equation of line passing through the 2 points, that is the y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 x minus x1. This is the general equation of line passing through the 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now let us rectum passes through the a t1 square comma 2a t1 and a t2 square comma 2a t2. This is the x1 coordinate, y1 coordinate, x2 coordinate and y2 coordinate. X1 coordinate, y1 coordinate, x2 coordinate and y2 coordinate. Now put all these values in this equation. Look, y minus y1. y1 is 2a t1. So put here 2a t1 is equals to y2 minus y1. y2 is given 2a t2 minus y1 is 2a t1. 2a t1 divided by x2. x2 is a t2 square minus x1. a t1 square in bracket x minus x1. x1 is given a t1 square. Okay. Since this latest rectum passes through the a comma 0, it means this a comma 0 satisfies this equation. Now put a comma 0 means y equals to 0 and x equals to a in such equation. So we have y equals to 0 minus 2a t1 is equals to, taking 2a common, t2 minus t1 upon a is common, t2 square minus t1 square x minus a t1. Okay. A cancel out, minus 2a t1 is equals to 2 t2 minus t1 upon t2 minus t1 and t2 plus t1 x minus a